We were traveling, and a lot of cars were there, big cars were there, and the number of people were journeying with Bhagwan. So he was giving me instructions where, who has to sit where, and who will come with him in the car, all that, and we were giving the instruction, passing on the instruction to the people. He had not told me about myself, where I will be sitting. So after I finished, I asked him, Swami, where do I sit? Where am I coming? Am I coming? I am not sure. So I asked him, Swami, what about me? He said, no, cooks to vachai. You come with the cooks. So the car, of course we had all cars, but someone, ambassador or Fiat was there, so two cooks and myself. Once he said, you go with cooks, we have, that is the only car available for you, so we are following. But human mind, it's very tricky. It keeps throwing up things for you for unnecessarily and trips you. There is no point of where you cannot trip and fall in the spiritual line. Anybody and everybody can easily lose their way. I was a young man, okay, all of them I went and gave instructions, or whatever Swami's instructions I passed on. You're going in this car, then the car next to Swami's car, all big cars, all that. Then I told cooks also, two cooks, I said, you come. And they said, sir, where are you going? I said, I am coming with you. So they were also a bit surprised like. I said, okay, Swami said, you go with the cooks. So I was with them. Journey started. Somewhere, I do not know why, maybe somewhere a little ego. For whatever reason, it's unlike me, but mind is like that. And he said, Arey, Swami put me with cooks. Just thought, but immediately, that is the beauty of Swami when you have his grace and you pine for him. Immediately, I said, I think perhaps he wants to keep me always. That's why he is keeping me with his own people who will. Cooking is a very, we don't every day. They're part of your family for long time. You don't change people like that. Cooks and drivers are all, if they stick for a long time. I said, maybe I have a privilege that, he's telling me that I will be with him and I can be doing this work. I'm happy like that. I was just thinking, so that the thought which came to me, I was trying to just put it away. And with that thought, I became very comfortable. I said, okay, Swami must be owning me. I was just telling so that the thought just dissipates and goes away. Just a few kilometers, Swami's car pulled to the side. And Swami got down and I am watching, and he is walking towards there is a convoy, 2-3 cars, and he is walking down. So I got off the car because Swami is coming that side. And he said, door teru. He said, open the door. I pulled the back door. Swami came and sat in that car. I'm sorry. There is no place. If that is suitable to the God, why not we? So never ever compare yourself into anything. Wherever you are. He traveled 2 hours with me in that car. 2 hours with me in the car. I was telling him, please get off. This is not a comfortable. I was going on telling me, he said, నువ్వు ఊరికే నోరు మూసుకొని కూర్చో నాకు ఇక్కడే బాగుంది. He's saying, just sit in that. You keep shut up and sit. I am very comfortable in this car. A thought. So there is no place. If somebody is handling a Gopuram gate, believe me, Swami is with you. Never ever forget that. If somebody is handling a Sevadal post near Hanuman, don't think he is not cared for. Bhagavan is with you. Bhagavan is with you. That faith, wherever you are given a post, please guard it. Please guard it, because that is lovingly assigned to you. It is not by chance you got it, by choice of Swami. Please remember you got it.